Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i. The first method is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power and USB-C cable at the bottom of the charging case. Right here we have USB-C port. On the front side we should see the LED light. Here we go, meaning that your earbuds are charging. The second option is to charge it using your phone. All you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to the charging case. Again, on the front side we see the LED light, so it also works. The third option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable. It looks like this. And you can charge your earbuds from, let's say, your PC or another device with USB-A port. So connect USB-C cable to your charging case, and I'm going to connect USB-A cable to my PC. But as I said, you can connect to another device with USB-A port. And we need to check the LED light, and we have the LED light, so it's also charging your earbuds. This earbuds doesn't support reverse wireless charging and wireless charging, so we cannot use wireless translation or your phone to charge it like this. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.